Good afternoon. Hi, everybody. My name is Chantel Thomas. Um, and my current field placement is actually within the school system. I am working with the social workers that assist children and parents, whether it's a startup to, get them back on their feet with clothes and services and applying for different government assistance, um, or just having a 504 meeting or being a part of that meeting, ensuring that a child is getting the necessary services while in the school, to better their chances of having a successful education and being able to understand what's being taught to them, if they're suffering from behavior issues, mental health issues, physical issues, things of that nature. So I think what I hope to get out of this course is better understanding. And I'm very excited that the course seems to focus around, or I know that the topic I chose to focus around is autism, because as a foster care case manager, I have about 3 kids on my caseload that have autism, and in different aspects. When they say it is on the spectrum, it is on the spectrum. Um, and so, just to have more insight on how to communicate with them and how to understand them, as well as taking in the information on how to go about services and things of that nature. I'm excited to see what this course is going to delve into, because I know there's different aspects to look at surrounding autism. Um, when studying this topic, I think it'd be relevant for my career because, as I stated, I am a social worker. Um, I work with foster children. And what I've noticed recently, especially with us doing virtual learning for education purposes, um, a lot of the cases that we used to get and still get now, it's focusing around behaviors. It's not that the child is being abused or neglected, or going without a necessary need for them to survive or succeed, or that it troubles their safety or well being. It's literally parents struggling with kids who have undiagnosed mental health, who have behavior issues because of whatever traumas the parents have dealt with. And somehow it's trickled down in one way, shape, or form with behavior, for their children, and they don't know how to deal with it. Unfortunately, those cases aren't defects level issues for us to get involved, but somehow we always get involved. So I think that if nothing else, this course will give me a little bit more insight into how to deal with children that have developmental um, developmental disabilities, disabilities in general, undiagnosed mental health, just how to move forward with those conversations with the parents, and then also how to communicate with the children and understanding the children. So I would have to say that's what I'm hoping for to learn in this course. I hope you guys are having a great first week and you are surviving our other course with our internship. And I'll see you guys in the comments. Bye.